Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, what a day yesterday! Based on some of the results that came through, some of the earnings results, and mostly probably Facebook or Meta. But yeah, what we were looking for is rejections for a move lower down, and then we would have been looking for a better opportunity lower down. But that did not materialize. So we had a fairly decent inside bar brew here, and then solid breaks to the upside, and price got moving. So looking at 500 odd points, almost 600 points actually, 580 points to the upside. What we're looking for now is pull back on structure. So you can see this area, we'll fine tune it on the hour, but this area we broke through it, sliced through it like a knife through hot butter. So I would expect to see us pull back onto it and test. And if we build a base there, then it's onwards and upwards again. So if you look at the 3 hour, you can see most of yesterday, decent pin bar here off a level. There was your entry there. 250 odd point stop for 600 odd point gain. And if you drop down to the hour, you probably would have seen an even better opportunity there. There's a level that we were looking to see for rejection. In actual fact, we would have been looking at that area for rejection. Never got it. Got above it. Started building a base. And if you start moving down to 15 minutes, break above it. Come back, test it. Big inside bar. There's your entry. There's your stop. And there's your target area. Well, the target would have been the next level. We broke through that. Anyway, what we're looking for today is, you see how strong this level is? And obviously, that's why I said to you, you'll fine tune it on the hour, because it's quite a big zone. There it is there. You see quite a few days that we've been hovering in this area. And that is 41.23 and 41.16. So that's the area that you should be paying attention to. And I would also argue that 4100 could also come into play, which is down here. There's a bit of structure here. So don't want to be jumping in long up there. Doesn't matter that this has moved so strongly. We're looking for the pullback on structure, and then we're looking for an opportunity to buy. So I'm looking to buy between 41.23 and 41.16. Price comes back into here, we start seeing some structure, then I'd be looking for a move to the upside. Lastly, just pay attention to that there, because hindsight being a perfect science, okay? We weren't talking about this wedge at all, but this is a break of the wedge, fake out in the wrong direction of what the wedge is. So it's a bullish wedge basically. But we broke down the downside and then came back, and now we're back above it. So these typically turn out to be fairly violent, and I'll probably do it that way. So I can either do it that way or align this here, and that is probably your bigger wedge at the moment for this move here. So break retest, you're looking for a fairly decent move back to the upside, but bear in mind you've got a lot of overhead resistance here, so you'd have to get through 41.81 first, and if you're looking very carefully, you'll see it's quite a big cup and handle that's forming. And if I just want to get a bigger picture here, now you can see it on the daily a little bit clearer. Look at the daily oscillators all lining up. Retest of the moving averages on the daily that happened yesterday. So there it is. There's a lot of structure there, and there's your first magnet. So once you're above this high here, your first magnet is going to be 42.25. That is a fairly decent target area, but also a strong area of resistance. Okay, so yeah, I think the confusion will continue, and you probably see quite some volatile moves, but wait for the pullback onto these levels I've given you. You see price action inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars that are on that level, take the trade to the upside. And if there are some violent moves like yesterday, just get your stop to entry and leave your trade. You can probably take some off at 41.81 and then leave it. You'll probably see a pullback, allow you to get back in on it, and then move to 42 and target 42.25 next. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.